Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue on Gnome 43, or any Gnome for that matter, on a Linux-based operating system that causes a double character on the Show Applications window. So I just push the super key, for example, and as you can see, if you do not click in here, you can just go ahead and type anything. So say I search for calculator. I type in calculator and it doubles the first letter, character, whatever you want to call it. So instead of going CALC, it goes CCALC. You can go ahead and erase that, and then you could, same thing, it'll keep doing it. Unless you click it, the type to search, then you can type calculator and it does not duplicate the first letter. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to fix that. It's relatively simple. I'll keep it nice and short. The issue is actually caused by the dash to dock extension that allows the little dock down here on the bottom to work with Gnome. As you can see, the first issue was actually reported September 29th, 2021. It's well over a year ago, and this person was actually using Gnome 40.4. Since then, you can see people have had this issue. They've opened tickets, all that sort of thing. And just recently, ticket 1855, one of the users here gave a quick workaround. There's a flag option under Appearance that shows Show Overview on Startup. They tell you to disable it and relog back in. So you go down here, right click on the dash to dock, click Settings, go to Appearance, uncheck Show Overview on Startup, close out of it. It still duplicates the problem because you need to restart. Quickest way, Alt plus F2, type R, it'll reboot. Okay, it rebooted. Now let's go ahead and give it a shot. Calculator. There you go. Did not have to type to search. Easily fixed it. One character at a time. Again, just to prove it. There you have it.